Okay, so now we're going to talk about another topic that you probably won't learn about at your tech boot camp that's going to be relevant in the work world, and that's cloud governance in iOS mobile developments. So, what is cloud governance? Cloud governance in software development refers to the process of defining, implementing, and monitoring a framework of policies that guide an organization's use of cloud resources. This includes resources such as storage and compute, as well as cloud services. Um, yeah, the goal of cloud governance is to enhance data security, ensure efficient operations, and manage the use of cloud services and resources. It involves a set of rules and policies adopted by companies that run services in the cloud. So, in the context of platform as a service, governance supports cloud native development and promotes simplified collaboration and a more scalable approach. Best practices for cloud governance include performing all operations as code, developing apps incrementally with small changes, and giving engineering teams the freedom to deploy and iterate applications quickly. Cloud governance is key to successful cloud computing as it oversees the control and direction of cloud services and resources. So I use a lot of big words. Now I'm going to break it down to something a little more meaningful. Imagine you're building a treehouse in your backyard. You have a toolbox, and that toolbox is Xcode with all the tools you need and a set of blueprints of the SwiftUI to guide you on how to build your treehouse, right? So, again, when I say a set of blueprints, I'm talking about your UI, your view. SwiftUI. Okay. Now imagine you have a group of friends helping you out. To make sure everyone is working together effectively, you establish some rules. For example, you might decide who gets to use which tools, how to make sure the treehouse is safe and sturdy, what to do if someone wants to make a change to the blueprints. In the world of iOS mobile development, this is similar to what cloud governance is. It's like a set of rules you establish for building your treehouse, but instead, it's for building software applications in the cloud. When you're developing an iOS app using Xcode and SwiftUI, cloud governance could involve rules and policies about how to use Xcode Cloud. Xcode Cloud is a continuous integration and delivery service designed for Apple developers. You know, as that's the alternative to Azure DevOps. Okay, but that's a whole nother video. This might include guidelines on how to automatically build, test, distribute your apps to ensure high quality and efficient delivery. Just like how the rules for building a treehouse helps ensure everyone works together and effectively, the treehouse is safe and sturdy. Cloud governance and iOS mobile development helps ensure the development process is efficient, the apps are of high quality, and the data is secure. So that's what I have for this. On to the next.